안녕하세요. This is Picture Book Story입니다. Today's story is A Birthday for Cow by Jan Thomas. Let's read it. Oh, somebody's birthday. Yeah. Save the date. October 17th. Cow's birthday. A birthday for cow. Today is cow's birthday. Toot! Yippee! Pig and mouse are going to make cow the best birthday cake ever. Cake? Yeah! They need a recipe. They put flour and sugar and eggs in a big bowl. And a turnip? Ooh. Oh. No, duck. We will not put in a turnip. Next, they mix it with a turnip. No, duck. A spoon. We will mix it with a spoon. Then they put it in the oven. Can a turnip go in too? Oh! And they ice the cake, and on top they put... I know! No turnip stuck. Candles. Look, here comes cow now. Woohoo. Happy birthday, cow! Isn't what I think it is? This is the best birthday ever! A turnip! Ooh, we really like the turnip. Child's favorite. Good cake. Burp. They ate it all. Sometimes I brush my teeth using a turnip. Really? Me too. A birthday for cow. The end.